it's recording.
Chop.
Birds like to eat seed.
Why are you just chopping my head?
Hi kids.
G'day, kids.
Today we're going to show you how to catch a bird.
Oh, the quiet. No.
In Philippines we've got cockfighting. Right here we've got budgie fighting.
Budgie.
They're not budgie.
Budgie,
Ready?
Fight.
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 Oh, you guys suck.
Oh, look at them.
Fight. Come on.
Look how perfect.
I know.
Me teeth.
They're like some synchronized swimming team with their perfect formation.
That's all we're going to get.
No vicious attack? Nothing?
Hey. Now let me touch you.
Pedophile. That one's only 1 year old.
Let me touch you.
Oh, that one. You see that?
I saw it. It's a baby, that one. Oh, somebody put some seed in my hair. Well, you get one and put it on its back and watch the other one to attack it. That's what we used to do is put it on the bush turkey. Just put it on the